What are you doing? Be careful, please.
Mama, I got you.
That's what you wanted to do? Is that where you're going to sit from now on? Is that what you wanted to do? Is that your new chair? Even though we have a couch and you have a couch and a recliner? That's where you want to sit? Hello, beautiful face. You like the movie, Emily?